All right. Just replace the chain. Okay, this is all limber. Good. Now see, this won't take no effort to turn it. And that's turning the pulleys and shit back in there. So hopefully that works. See, that turns all that. It turns that down through there. Yada yada yada. Got the tensioner. It does all it's supposed to do. This is partially, one, to show you what I've done. Two, the other chain got screwed up. So if that chain gets screwed up, when I do run it, I don't have any gas right now, but when I do run it, if that chain gets screwed up, then there's something else going on. Now, this also was a brand new chain. Now it's got some surface rust on it now, but from where it's been outside and got rained on a little bit, but all right. But this is where's the brand name? It's China. Well, it'd be nice if I could read something. Okay. Focus, darn you. Anyways, it says China there. TRP right there. You won't be able to see that part. There it is. This phone sucks. TRP. And that's through here. It says China somewhere. Anyways, bottom of the tractor supply, right? That should fold on over. You know, like that section. You know, that's how it should act. This is brand new chain. That's brand new chain. You know, well, you know. And most of this, like that section there, I have to squeeze the shit out of it, and now it's stuck in that direction. So I don't know if it's the chain or if it's the machine. I guess we'll find out if that chain does the same as this chain. Because if it does, then I don't know what I gotta do. I guess go to O-ring chain so it'll hold the grease in or something. I don't know. Because this is already roller chain. So I don't know really what to do. But I guess when I give it a shot, when I get some gas, we'll find out. All right, here's an update. I changed this pulley from a 6 to a 10. These are all still the same. Different. The chain that was in the previous sneak video is the new chain. Because the motor turns at 3,500 RPMs. See, I figured this all out. The motor turns at 3,500 RPMs. That chain is number 50 roller chain. its maximum speed that it's supposed to go at is 2200 RPMs. So I'm turning it too fast, which is heating it, slinging the grease out and heating it up. Okay. By going from the six inch pulley over here to a 10-inch pulley, that should spin it by at least the calculators online. That should slow this down to under 2000 RPM, which means that the sprocket's turning less than, the chain's moving less than that, which means all of it's moving less than that. But with the gear ratio between there and there, now the bar is running at about 6,000 RPM. Now I can change the big sprocket. I just haven't fooled with doing that yet. But if I change the big sprocket, the chain sprocket here, yeah, I can get it back up to the 10,000 RPMs I want to be at. I just gave it a shot at cutting this, and it did pretty good. Few little issues popped up. The carb's acting stupid again, so it's flooding. And the motor got a little hotter than I would prefer. But that's beside the point. That's goofy lawnmower engine issues and whatnot. But all in all, that's working. The up and down is working. It is working. It's just there's some fine tuning and stuff. Honestly, it'll probably start. It's got a little bit of gas left. So it works. It cut. Made sawdust. Show you what the boards look like. If you are going to build something similar to this, please watch all the videos and listen to all the things I have to say, because it doesn't do you much good to build something that I've already proven won't work. But there's the boards I made today. I wasn't really trying to get the thicknesses precise, but pretty good, clean, pretty. So this will all end up being flooring, unless I end up using it for something else because I changed my mind. But right now, that's kind of the game plan. And there's what I cut last time. Just sitting on the porch out of the weather. But there's that. So that's basically the update on the sawmill. Harley's still sitting here, getting dusty. Haven't fooled with it. Gas-powered machining lathe. Which, hell, I'm gonna have to put you in the stand to even attempt to start the damn thing, because it's pull start. Alright, bear with me here, folks. Going into my homemade stand. There you go. Alright. New belt. Fiddled around with some stuff, put a plastic tank on it because my other tank rusted. But key, make sure the belt's released, make sure the fuel's on, fuel on. right across there, out the hole. Runs up to a little smokestack. Shits and giggles. Made some oilers out of extensions, so I can oil the bearing. You can turn it down. You know, that's slow. And without even touching the belt. You know, that's that. I know it ain't probably why you clicked into this video, but it works. So, and this is useful because I need this to do shit for the lathe. I mean, I need the lathe to do stuff for the sawmill. So, and also the Harley, and so on, so on, so on. But yeah, there's that. Move that out of the way. But yeah, that's basically an update, I guess. The earlier video was several weeks ago, and then getting the money together and all this different stuff, blah, blah, blah. This is something that's coming up in a video, but I'm going to try to get all of it done before I actually show you fully what I'm doing there. You might be able to figure it out. Yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. You know, bye.